So today we are going to dive, or perhaps cast, into the talent pathway for sea fishing. So in this video I want to show you the whole process of becoming an England shore angler. So I personally have been lucky enough to have been through the talent pathway and represent my country many a times at the homes and the worlds, and winning gold medals, which is a massive honour and privilege. So I'm doing this video to show you how you can too. The talent pathway is essentially the map from being someone who likes and enjoys dangling lines off a pier to becoming a top level competition angler. Sea fishing isn't about luck or having the fanciest rod or things. It's a skill-based sport with structured progression for those who want to excel and go further with it. So the talent pathway is designed to spot, support and develop anglers so they can reach their full potential, whether that's going to local competitions or even representing their country on a world stage. So it all starts at the Angling Trust, so you'll need to go on the website and register for the Sea Fishing Shore Talent Pathway. It's completely free to enter and open to anyone under 16, and it's made up of 2 days. So the first day is classroom-based day where we discuss rigs, baits, watercraft and best practices, all led by Angling Trust qualified coaches, which is just amazing. And the second day, all anglers take to the beach, which is Milford Shingle Bank, and put everything they have learnt into practice and hopefully catch some fish. So this again is fully led by qualified coaches and current international anglers who will be there to support and give invaluable helps and tips and advice, which is definitely helpful. So as you can see, we're in the classroom and we're about to do some rig making, I think, so that's going to be pretty fun. Got given this, some goodies and some hooks, and I won a pack of hooks.
Can't eat that fine.
Hello everyone, so this is day 2 of the talent pathway and we are down on Milford Shingle Bank ready for the fishing. joined by Steve Rathbone, who is a current England international and is the lead coach at the Lymington Talent Pathway. So Steve, can you tell us what the best advice you have for young anglers who are thinking about fishing for England and what the Talent Pathway can offer?
Yeah, absolutely. I can definitely have a go at answering the question. Generally, I think the first port of call is to get on the Angling Trust website and have a look at the competition page and find the information that has been put out there from the last few years of Angling Trust Pathways. And you'll see that we've done classroom work and then actually on the job fishing situations. We're here now on Milford Shingle Bank, and we just wrapped up the day for 2025's pathway. So that's the first place that I personally look, and the other place would be the social media channels, and Lexi's doing a great job with promoting it. The Angling Trust have a few different pages out there, and you can definitely follow the under 21s and the under 16s out there through the Angling Trust pages. The other thing I would look to do is to join your local club. So I started down in West Bay in Dorset, and I was a club member down there for a very long time, and them as a club, they developed me to a certain position where then I joined the Talent Pathway. That was led by Chris Clark. I would suggest that was maybe 2005, maybe even 2004. I'm not that old, but it was quite a long time ago. And then I've developed on from the help that the Angling Trust, the team of coaches, Chris Clark, Dave Graham, and all the others there that sort of helped and develop you as an angler. The other anglers I learn off, the people I fish with and compete with. So with Lexi now and the other under 16s, we were always learning and developing off each other. So your fellow teammates, essentially, there's always something to learn from them and always something to share. So I just covered those once again. So that was the Angling Trust website, all the social medias, whether it's Facebook or Instagram, and then your local club. They could be really helpful with getting you out onto fishing marks and helping you out, even if it's just starting off on a pier. And there's always something to learn, and somebody will be there to help you. And if you're in doubt, just reach out to us and ask one of us directly, and we'll try and point you in the right direction.
Perfect, thank you Steve.
No problem.
So I'm sure you will agree with me that the Talent Pathway isn't just about competing, it is all about the support and having coaching from experienced internationals like yourself, and learning and honing on new skills, and also team bonding is definitely important.
Absolutely. So the championships is always run as a team event, and that is the biggest thing, to have a good team scenario and a team bonding, as you mentioned there. The idea is that we can all come together as a unit, attack the competition, everyone can be getting on nice and happily, and work together to really put the best out yourself. Individuals, they're great people, but you need the team result to come together as your first priority. To do that, we stay together, we live together, you do all your rigs together, and you're just constantly evolving. And every time you're away at championships or with the Angling Trust, the teams themselves, it's just developing. You're working on your team bonding and your confidence. Don't forget that a lot of people aren't all that confident, and this is only the sort of third or fourth time I'm in front of the camera, but it's something that a lot of people can be shy with, and that's absolutely fine. Not everyone are comfortable with approaching strangers and talking to people, but what we try and do is make it a really relaxed situation where you are just simply fishing and trying to have fun, and then we just work on a few different methods and try and tweak the skills you've got to then maximise your potential and maximise your catch reports and your catch rates.
Yeah, perfect. Thank you.
No problem. Thank you.
Who is the home and world manager for the under 16s team. Now I've got a question for you, Paul.
Go on.
So what are you looking for in an angler that represents their country?
I think it's as much as fishing ability and say their attitude to the fishing, say they're positive in what they do. will take on board what they're being told. They say it's just a sort of development in the angling world. We have them along to squad days, practices, and they say they've got to have sort of dedication to what they do, put their heart into it, and enjoy it as much as anything else.
Yeah.
Because we always like to enjoy the fishing, but also the camaraderie within the team, to fit in with the team. And we've got quite a good group in the last few years where we're all mixed in together, and I think they've helped each other as well, which is good. And if anybody's got a question, they're all happy to pitch in and help each other, which is fantastic.
Perfect, thank you, Paul.
Okay, well done.
Okay, so I'm here joined with Darcy, and is this your first talent pathway?
No.
No? So Darcy's been to a few talent pathways before, and can you tell us what your favourite bit has been about the talent pathway, or something you've learned?
I've learned how to make a ring.
You've learned how to make a rig. Is that something you knew before, or is that new?
No.
No? And I've also got a present for you, Darcy, because I know how much you really wanted to do, so I got you a little rag, and it's got me on there. Is that okay?
Yeah.
Yeah? There you go.
Thank you.
Thank you. So I'm joined with the team now, and I'm going to ask them all a question. Well, the same question. So although the fishing's been not very good today, what's been your favourite part?
I got some nice practice tying my shock leader knots.
Mark?
Being all together as a team again.
No.
Already getting snagged.
Yeah.
Catching no fish.
Ronan?
Probably catching some nice bream, being with the lovely team.
And just before you go, you guys, I won't see you guys. I wish you all the best in the World Championships.
So the final part of the process, now you've passed through the talent pathway, is you can apply for the team as mentioned through the Angling Trust website, and that's where the applications will be open. I hope you have enjoyed this video and it gives you some idea of what to expect and what it's like and how to become an England international. So thank you all for watching, and tight lines! You're gonna go get an ice cream. How was the talent pathway then, Mark?
It was alright, I had 2 fish.
Yeah?
On a Eureka rig.
Did you enjoy the talent pathway day?
That was alright, yesterday was fun.